what is up guys? Today share ko lang sa inyo on how to get your first 100k as a virtual assistant. This is a no bullshit guide on how to get your first 100k as a virtual assistant, and I'll explain it within 60 seconds. Let's jump in. First, you must learn a valuable skill. Second, find a problem na magmamatch sa kung ano yung skills na inaral mo. Then third, maghahanap ka ng mga tao na nangangailangan ng solusyon sa problema nila and masasagot yung problema na yun gamit yung skills na inaral mo. Then fourth is, i-provide mo yung services sa client mo na nangangailangan ng services na ino-offer mo. For example, ang client mo is a content creator and looking siya for a video editor para mas magmukhang professional yung videos na kinokontent niya. So ikaw, as a video editor, ang gagawin mo, ipoprovide mo yung skills na yon dun sa client mo, and kapag kumita ka na, all you have to do is repeat the process, and that's how you get your first 100k as a virtual assistant. And that is all. Thank you for